This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2326RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 4 inches in length and features a Cobalt interior, sleeps 2, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, microwave, air conditioning, TV antenna, TV, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2326RB is 5,781 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.